Today I'm going to show you how to copy this range from this workbook, and then I'm going to copy this into a new workbook which the VBA will automatically open. And this range has got 200 records or 200 rows that I'm gonna copy into the new workbook which the VBA will open. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna access the VBA editor to create the VBA macro. I'm gonna press Alt plus F11. Then I'm gonna insert the macro number 1. Then I'm gonna close this Project Explorer as well as the properties window to get a wider screen. So I'm gonna write the macro sub. I'm gonna name it copy to new workbook. Enter. Then I'm gonna declare the variable dim new WB as workbook, and then I'm gonna specify the range for the source document or source workbook that I'm gonna copy the range from. So I'm gonna say range. So the range is coming from A1 to E201, then quotation mark close, then dot copy, because I'm gonna copy this range to the new workbook. Then set new WB equals workbooks dot add. Okay, enter. Then again new WB dot sheets, then number 1, then that range. So I'm gonna paste this into the new workbook into this range A1s, in the A1 range. Okay, then that paste special Excel paste values, then new WB again, then that save as. We're gonna save this file, and I'm gonna assign a file name. So I'm gonna say file name colon, then equals I'm gonna assign a name. I'm gonna say new copy of the data. Okay, new copy of the data, right? Or under score, then quotation mark, then ampersand. I'm gonna include in the file name the date. Okay, the date the file name was created, so I'm gonna include the date. So I'm gonna say format, because we're gonna format the date. Then open parenthesis date, then comma. Okay, then quotation mark. Right, I'm gonna format the date for Y for the year, and then 2M and 2D. Okay, so that would be the format for the date, and close it. Then again ampersand. Then also I'm gonna include the extension, file extension, since this is Excel, so I'm gonna use Excel SX, Excel SX, then quotation mark, then that's it. Okay, actually I'm also if I want to close it right away, I can also include new wb dot close. I can also do that. As soon as I copied it into the new workbook, the new workbook will automatically close, but I'm not gonna do that. I want the workbook to remain in display, so that I'll be able to make some changes in terms of the format. So this is the code that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna go back to Excel, then I'm gonna access the macro. Okay, so I'm gonna press Alt plus F8. That would be the macro that we have just created. Copy to a new workbook. I'm gonna run it. So there you have it, but it's not closing because I did not close it. So what I'm gonna do is, for you to be able to see it more clearly, I'm gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna put it to 0.26, okay, the font size, and then I'm gonna adjust the width as well. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put this to bold, and then I'm gonna put color in it, and then that's it. So this is the new workbook. Okay, we have copied up to 200, right? Okay, this is the new workbook, and then this is the original workbook. Okay, this is the file name for this is copy range to new workbook, and the file name for this is new copy. If you can see it, 2025 08 August 707. Okay, that's how you copy the range from old workbook to the new workbook, to be created by using the VBA macro. So that's it for today's exercise. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.